వ్యాక్సినేషన్కు వేదికైన ఢిల్లీ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్. జూన్ 26 శనివారం రెయిన్బో హాస్పిటల్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో వ్యాక్సినేషన్ కార్యక్రమాన్ని నాదర్గుల్లోని ఢిల్లీ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్లో వైభవంగా ప్రారంభించారు. కరోనా మహమ్మారి సోకి అనేక మంది తమ ప్రాణాలను కోల్పోతున్న తరుణంలో ఈ పాఠశాల యాజమాన్యం తమ పాఠశాలలోని పనిచేసే ఉపాధ్యాయులకు, అడ్మిన్ ఉద్యోగులకు, ఆయాలకు, సెక్యూరిటీ సిబ్బందికి, అటెండర్లకు, వీరితో పాటు విద్యార్థుల తల్లిదండ్రులకు, నాదర్గుల్ గ్రామ ప్రజలకు వ్యాక్సిన్ను ఉచితంగా వేశారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి బడంగ్పేట్ మున్సిపల్ కార్పొరేషన్ మేయర్ చిగురింత పారిజాత నరసింహారెడ్డి, డిప్యూటీ మేయర్ ఇబ్రహీం శేఖర్, ఇబ్రాపట్నం ఆర్డీఓ వెంకట రంగాచార్య మరియు రంగారెడ్డి జిల్లా విద్యాశాఖాధికారి సుసేందర్, స్థానిక కార్పొరేటర్లు, ఢిల్లీ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్ మరియు పల్లవి గ్రూప్ సంస్థల చైర్మన్ మలక కొమరయ్య తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
India and old world, and phase 1, phase 3, phase 2, now they are saying phase 3. Now we are aware about how to behave ourselves and how to protect ourselves, and luckily vaccination also came, and now people are vaccinating. And in India it's a big population, will take another 3-4 months to complete the first dose. With that, if we protect ourselves and increase the immunity, and our government of India, state government, they are doing their best. In part of that, all our schools we are vaccinating for our teachers and parents, all the other admin staff. In that program, today we are doing the vaccination program in Nadargul. And when we started this Nadargul school, it was almost like outside city, but now slowly city is growing up, and the school also growing up with the parent support and students and all the local people support, and we have reached almost 3,000 students, and over a period of time we will reach about 5,000 to 6,000 students. And we are doing our best for the quality education and all-round development of the child, and sports, all extracurricular activities, and to develop a good citizen of our country for all the children. Our aim is to develop a good citizen of this country and good attitude, good culture, and we should be proud to be Indian, and whole country and whole world looking at India. And we are on the process. DPS, Pallavi schools, Pallavi Engineering College, we are working towards that. And today's vaccination program and any good events or Haritaharam or vaccination or any events for the children, not to pollute the lakes, and no water pollution, no plastic usage. All these are our main activities to sensitize the students to have a good habits and good health.
Today's program President, Principal DPS, and Guest of Honor Mayor Badangpet, Deputy Mayor, and our beloved DEO, Yashasvi, and other corporators, MEO, and other dignitaries on the dais, especially the faculty and other staff members of this DPS. At the outset, I wanted to congratulate DPS management taking this drive of vaccination, and they are currently going into the Delta variant. So all the 3 variants have been gone, the 4th variant has come, where especially children from 18 onwards will be affected more. And prior to that, all the staff member getting vaccinated is very, very important to be safe side on our part. I hope that might be the one of the reason for taking this drive. And I wish all the best to all the people who are going to be administered the vaccine today. It is not just because of taking vaccine we are safe. Still, we are prone for the virus attack. So as just now our Badangpet chairperson has told, we must maintain all these SMS factor: sanitization, mask and social distance. They are very famous for the SMS word, and that is the reason we have to keep up this SMS word in our mind. So hence, I request all the faculty, especially those who are taking this drive, and please educate, inculcate in the minds of the students that please inculcate in the minds of the students, those who are coming to join in the 1st of July. So let them maintain all these 3 factors and be hygienic and be immune protector kind of people.